So here's a question which I received last week and pretty frequently from some of our parents. I want my child to use their fingers to count, but the school teacher says it's preferable not to. And so this is from a dear parent. And why is that? You might ask yourselves. Well, thinking about adding quantities like going from 9 to 12 and going 9, 10, 11, 12, it's okay to count forward and add quantities. But when you want to work backwards and go 12, 11, 10, 9, it's very clunky to count on your fingers. And for that reason, it is preferable to learn blocks of 10 so that you can easily decompose numbers and use number bonds to get to the next block rather than try and use calculations which are not really going to be, first of all, things that you can build on, because you won't be able to count on your fingers with very big numbers. You won't be able to do it backwards. And it's important to get the blocks in your mind as soon as possible. So now let's talk about compensation strategy. And what compensation means is that we're going to use easier numbers to work with so that the calculation itself becomes easier. If we look at a first example here, 29 plus 30, well, it might seem obvious to you that 29 is super close to 30, and therefore we could do 30 plus 30, which is 60, and then take away 1. But maybe to a first grader that's not super obvious, so we can just explain it to them and teach that technique as a formal technique.